To apply for an Affirm loan, start by shopping at a participating merchant, either online or in store, and look for the Affirm logo or the Pay with Affirm option. Many stores, such as Walmart, Target, and Amazon, support Affirm as a payment method. Once you've selected the item you want to purchase, add it to your cart and proceed to checkout. When you're ready to pay, choose Affirm as your payment method by scrolling down and selecting the Pay Over Time with Affirm option. This option will only be available if the store supports Affirm. If you don't see this option, you may need to try a different store. After selecting Affirm, you'll be prompted to provide some basic information, including your full name, email address, mobile number, and the last 4 digits of your social security number, which Affirm uses to verify your identity and assess your eligibility. You'll then receive a unique authorization code via text message, which you'll need to enter to proceed. Within seconds, Affirm will notify you if you're approved and present you with your loan terms, including the amount you can borrow, the interest rate, repayment options, and the total interest cost. Note that a down payment may be required for larger purchases or based on your eligibility. If you're happy with the terms, you can select your preferred payment plan and click Confirm Loan to finalize the process. Your purchase will then be processed by the merchant, and your first payment will typically be due 30 days from the purchase date. You can manage your payments through the Affirm app or website, and you can set up autopay or pay manually using a debit card or bank account. It's essential to make timely payments, as this will help maintain good credit if the loan is reported.